Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is December 8th, 2024, and I have left this for so long, and today I am harvesting my sweet potatoes. Should have done this a while, but anyhow, better late than never, so let's go find out. We are going to start by just cutting off some of the vine. Oh wow, I guess these are some of the watermelon that I did not even see. I guess extra watermelon. Here we go. I have cut off all of the vines. Now it's time for us to dig in. This is my first time of growing some of these, and I don't know what I'm going to find. We will start with the batata that was planted May 26th. It looks like they are cracking because they were left here so long. All right, we are going to just open this up. This is the purple sweet potato. These are the stalks. I'm a little disappointed. They did not grow big enough, but there were plenty of them. I guess you could use these sizes for like fries. There's so many little ones. These are the Hawaiian sweet potatoes. They produce a lot of stringy ones, but you can still use them. This is the only sizable one. I am done, but I have to clean up. Let's clean up this mess and then we'll show you all that we harvested. This is all that we harvested this season from these bags. So now I'm going to cure them by putting them in a container and putting some water in between to create some humid environment. And I'll cure them for about 7 to 14 days so that the starch in them can be converted into sugar to make them sweet. They're not ready yet to be eaten, so I'll take you inside to show you how I do that. In the meantime, I'm just gonna pack all this, take them inside, place them in a container. So come on, let's go. So now, this is all that we harvested, and we're gonna cure it. So what I normally do is I put it in this container. In order to recreate a humid environment, I make a space in the middle, and then I fill a smaller bowl with water. Then I cover it. Now, initially, you're going to cover it lightly so that there will be some airflow. Sometimes you may just put it a little bit like this if you feel like the steam building up. And then I put it on a heat mat set at 75 degrees. Or you can leave it in your garage for about 2 weeks. I go through my garage every day. It is easier for me to put it in my garage where I can see it every day and make sure that the temperature and the humidity are staying constant. If you do not do that, you may find that your sweet potatoes will get soggy and go moldy. You want the right environment for it to cure. Or you could literally leave it outside if you're not going to have any kind of rain or anything that is eating it up outside. That's how I do it. You cure it about 5 to 14 days, depending on your environment in your house. By the 14th day, generally the starch has been converted into sugar. And at that point, you can actually eat them. So that's what we're going to do. We'll just set this and then I'll take it into the garage. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you and God bless.